Is evolutionary theory compatible with Islam, the Big Bang? Well, there are two issues in the same question. As far as the notion of the Big Bang, I have to say something, but carefully. Remember, I said earlier, there is no single statement in the Quran that is in conflict with any established scientific fact. But when you talk about the origin of the universe, you have to be more careful because that's theory, and theories could change. Nobody was there to record it on video camera or anything of that nature. But there is something interesting with caution that we find in the Quran. And the text of the verse in Arabic says, أَوَلَمْ يَرَ الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا أَنَّ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضَ كَانَتَا رَتْقًا فَفَتَقْنَاهُمَا وَجَعَلْنَا مِنَ الْمَاءِ كُلَّ شَيْءٍ حَيٍّ. Don't the unbelievers or rejectors of faith know or actually see, that the heavens and earth were all one part, and then we split them asunder, and we made out of water everything living. Quite interesting. The whole universe was one gaseous mass, according to that theory. From that you get the galaxies, various systems, solar systems, and so on. But again, I take that with a precaution. So there is no problem. If that theory is proven, there is no contradiction with the Quran at all. Secondly, the question of evolution, that's a different issue. There is no text in the Quran or saying of the Prophet, peace be upon him, that I know of, that says or implies that there could have been absolutely no evolution whatsoever on any level. And if someone tell me that it is quite possible or plausible that there was evolution from a single cell up to the highest of apes, I'd say, no problem. The Quran doesn't say it, doesn't deny it. It's open. There's no contradiction. The only thing that can be interpreted from the Quran is that even if there were evolution, the human being in particular did not evolve from the apes. I usually say, unless somebody is so proud to have the apes as his ancestors, that's up to them. But it says the human being is created with special qualities, not just something evolved. That God breathed, the Quran says God breathed something of His Spirit into the human being. And interesting enough, and I'm not a specialist in the field, that the specialists can speak better than me on this, the greatest and more conclusive scientific evidence of evolution is found much on the lower level because of the existence of fossils, and many proofs seem to indicate it. And the most difficult and most controversial is between the highest of apes and the human. The weight of the brain, and discovery more recently of a human being who was believed to be much before what they believed. I understand there was a recent discovery. That the dinosaurs and humans coexisted. And that's quite interesting. That would be fully in line with the Quran. Okay, you could have been evolution, but God chose. And nobody can scientifically, conclusively reject the possibility that there were evolution for some animals, but side by side the human also was created. So this is an area which is open, but I don't see any problem at all with it. Okay.